Hello and welcome back to VCodeCSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. Once again we are back with another problem in Java programming. So today's topic is going to be on arrays in Java. Okay, so I'll be typing the code and I'll explain you some terminologies in the code. Okay, so just stay tuned with my code. Public class main. Okay, just a second, guys. I think something went wrong. Okay, public class main and public static void main and string. Okay, and then okay, yeah, just a second. Yeah, and int array here, arr is array. Okay, so that is equals to int type. Okay, new int 5. Okay, yeah, and then I like to print the value of array. So system.out.println arr. Okay, so this is today's code, and I'll be giving you 5 seconds. Just look after this carefully and comment a proper output in my comment section. Yeah, I'm running the code. See, we have got a garbage value here, right? So what is garbage value? At first, what is garbage value? Okay, I'll be explaining you that in a notepad. Okay, so let us assume that we have two variables. One is x, whose value is 2. Okay, and one is y, whose value is 3. Okay, so generally we'll be having a stack space and a heap place. Okay, in Java we have stack space where all local data is stored. Okay, and the heap place where objects are allocated the memory. Okay, so this is it is a memory of an object, right? So this is a heap place. So this 2 and 3 is stored in a heap place. But if I would like to create a new number for that x value, we'll be writing like this, right? Int x, that would be equals to new int. Okay, so that means what we are doing here, we are allocating another new value for x. That means at initial we have 2, right? But now we are allocating another value or new value for x. That means this 2 is cleared here. So the thing I would like to convey is that we are clearing this 2 and we are writing another number here. That means this 2 is clear, right? So at that case, garbage will be garbage value will be executed there. Okay, so if I write another int, okay, int y, that is equals to new int and round brackets. Now this 2 and 3 also they both are cleared, and we are getting a new integers here for x and y. That means this we are clearing these two values. So we are clearing two values in heap place, right? So clearing in heap clearing values in heap place will be getting a garbage value. Okay, I hope you understand. So, or in simple terminologies, the process by which Java virtual machine automatically clears the memory allocated in heap is called garbage collection. Okay, I think you got that. The process in which JVM is Java virtual machine, clears the memory of object. That means 2 and 3 is the memory of an object in heaps place. Okay, so clearing this heap object memory in heap place creates a garbage collection. Okay, so that's the thing I would like to convey to you guys. So this is about garbage collection. So in our case, printing array will print a garbage value. Okay, here arr is an array, right? We are printing this array in another function, so that will be giving a garbage value. It is not same as printing arr. Okay, It is not same as printing ARR0. That means it is not like indexing a value. Okay, so printing like a aggregating array inside a function will be giving you a garbage value. So that's the logic behind this code, guys. I hope you understand this. If you have any doubts or if you need more clarification, you just comment me in the comment section. I'll be definitely watching your comments and reply you as fast as I can. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and let's meet in another video.